Here's a 2017 Chevy Tahoe Premier, 32,000 mile. One owner with a clean auto check history. Good looking vehicle here in a premium SUV trim. Got a nice big body, 7-passenger SUV here. Good looks. You can see the high intensity or definition headlamps there. We got your LED or halogen fog lights, LED markers. Also, you can see a little bit of a smoked look to that lens. Got a nice chrome classic Chevrolet grille there. As we continue around to the side, you can see the big, I think they're 22, no, they're 20-inch chrome-plated 5-spoke alloy wheel. You can see a nice resurfaced rotor, thick brake pad, 8, 9, 30 seconds, 3/4 tread or better on these tires. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Looking in through the passenger side, you can see there a nice Chevrolet chrome sealed door entry guards. You also can see the full power passenger seat with lumbar, which is a nice feature. Obviously premium leather seating with offset white stitching. 2 bucket seats, full console flows in between. You can see some wood grain highlights there as well as the brushed aluminum highlights. Good looking truck with ebony leather and charcoal carpeting. As we continue around to the back, see the nice fixed running boards there as well from factory. As we continue to the back, again, you can see the nice thing, you do have your captain's chairs here, making it easy to access the 3rd row seating. If you have the kids, they don't have to climb over the bench. Also on the back, you can see it's heated rear seats. Also, you got some climate controls back there. I think 4 USB slots, 2 12-volt power supplies. There might even be a 110 there. I mean, you got your headsets there for your aftermarket DVD, or excuse me, not aftermarket DVD, your factory entertainment system there. Just really all the connectivity you would ever want in these vehicles anymore back here. Keep the kids connected with their tablets and iPads. Here you see the matching chrome wheels there, 5-blade again, 3/4 tread on that tire as well. Also like to give you a little look. If you could see, there's a splash liner there, no rust at all underneath of this truck. So we look back through the frame rail. You can see it does have the proximity sensors here integrated into the bumper. We do have a nice little spoiler there up top as well. Of course, we got the factory backup camera. We should have a power lift gate. There it comes. Got the 3rd row seats stowed down right now. You can see it is a power fold on those, which is a nice feature as well. Also underneath here, little cargo net, nice little organization area there to keep some of your items. Simple push here will lower that lift gate. We'll continue around to the driver's side. Again, just focusing in on the wheel. Clean wheel, no scuffs or scrapes, same depth as the rest of the tires and matching Continentals. And then we'll just give you a look in through the driver's side again. Very, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And then we'll give you a look in through the driver's side front again. Door sill entry guards, power seat, including lumbar, looks good. Now, before I get into the tour, I like to show people the keys. 2 proximity keys, all kinds of goodies on them. As you can see, we have the integrated keyless entry, got your factory remote start, got the ability to open your power lift gate 2 different ways, and it's a proximity key. So everything located right on that fob. Now, as we continue the tour, we do have your locks, your windows, your mirrors, all located right here, including power folding mirrors, which is nice. Also, you have memory seating down here, as you can see. Program the radio stations, mirrors, seats, all that to the 2 settings activated by the fob. See, we have the upgraded BOSE sound. This thing's well loaded, obviously, on the Premier model. Let's put our foot in the gas. Hit the start button. I want to show you the miles exactly. Once it gets done doing the gauge sweep, there you have it, 32,823 miles. Continuing the tour, of course, it does have, well, before I do the tour, I'd like to show you, we do keep a copy of the auto history report on the dash. Like I say, clean auto check history, 1 owner. Now, as we continue on, we got the high intensity, or the heads-up display, excuse me, will project the right to the windshield. That can be controlled over here. Also, it has all the safety features. We got your traction control, got your lane departure, ability to shut off your parking sensors. We got power pedals there, automatic headlamps, Got your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. As we continue over here to the, well, let's do this one first. We got your cruise control, got a heated steering wheel, got forward collision warning. Also got your Bluetooth over here. This is for your EVIC to control your display. You can see as I toggle through some tripometers, estimated fuel range, oil life, tire pressure monitoring, all of that stuff located right there. There's your digital speedometer back controlled with that control pad. Now we got the big touch screen. Of course, we got AM, FM, satellite radio, as you can see here. Also, we got the factory equipped navigation, as you can see as well. So, you know, you name it, this vehicle has it. We also got your dual climate control over here. We got your heated and cooled seats on both sides. I mean, it really has it all. I already told you about the rear entertainment. Of course, OnStar. Got your big sunroof up here, as you can see. Illuminated visors. There's your ability to, well, there you open your roof. There's your ability to adjust how high that back hatch comes up. In the console itself, there's your connectivity, 2 USB ports, 12-volt power supply. We've got a couple cup holders in that one. Underneath door number 3, 2 more USB ports and a plug-in. Another 12-volt power supply, and I showed you what's on the back of this console. So connectivity, not a problem with these vehicles. Now let's go ahead and shut this car off. And actually, I want to show you underneath the hood before I shut it off. Let's do that next. Hood release is right here. I believe this is a big 6.2 liter V8 in this thing. So it's got the upgraded engine as well to get you where you need to go with plenty of pep and punk and spunk. And let's see. It's just a 5.3. Sorry, didn't want to get you all pumped up. But the 5.3 is a trusted engine. You know, Chevy's used it for a long time. You can see very clean, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Very clean, well-maintained engine. Now we'll shut this off and get into the next portion of the video. Now I explained to you the mechanical evaluation in the dash. The history report is on the dash, mechanical evaluation in the glove box. Now we're just going to walk around, look for any minor imperfections. We do try to get to clean this vehicle as we can, but they're all going to have a couple little marks. Like here's a little scratch above the door handle, a couple little chips above that. No used vehicle, I shouldn't say no, but extremely few used vehicles actually have perfect conditions. You're always going to get the occasional chip or scratch. So other than that one on the door, that side seems to be pretty good. Spoiler looks good, little scratch up here across the top. Front of the lift gate looks good, no dents or dings. Fascia looks good there. Continuing up the passenger side. Trying to see if I can pick up any dings or dents, but it seems to be pretty straight and clean. A couple little stone chips up here across this A-pillar. Rest of the vehicle looks pretty good. Fender looks good. A little bit of bug damage, a couple little stone chips across the front. You can see it also has a front proximity sensors. I missed that on the first go around, but obviously with all those advanced safety features, it's going to have some detection in the front. You can see some chips here across the hood. I mean, that's really the bulk of it. Just a couple little stone chips, and that is it. Now, this vehicle is still covered under manufacturer's comprehensive and powertrain warranties, transferable to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.